Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran and it's New Music Friday. Now Romain Virgo today dropped his highly anticipated fourth studio album, The Gentleman. Last evening, the gentleman himself held the official launch party for the album at AC Hotel. The invite-only event saw members of the music fraternity showing their support and building the excitement ahead of the project's release date.
Romain is an artist who I look up to, respect him a whole lot. He's been doing it for years, and every time he drop a new song, it just sounds better. Every time I see him perform, it just look even greater. So, much respect, hats off to Romain. We really appreciate of your work and what you do for reggae music.
I'm super excited for this album. I think he dropped a single recently and a snippet of a video. I love him. I'm very excited for the album to come out.
Romain means so much to reggae now that we have to support him and make sure say him loved and cherished in this field. I'm glad say him get him chance to share him story upon this project. We used to Romain and sing certain things, but I feel like on this project him did get to go a little bit deeper and share a little bit more of him life and him story with us. So I'm excited for everybody else here what go on.
Speaking with E-Prime, Virgo shared his thoughts on the project.
And my last album, Love Sick, it was all love songs, and I didn't want to do the same thing this time around because while talking about love is always good, it's always great to sing about love, and a lot of people know me for love songs, but I know that I have a responsibility to talk about other things too.
The VP Records-led album sees collabs with Capleton, Jesse Royal, Pato Rankin and Massacre, and for Virgo, he is already gearing up for both local and international tour dates. Virgo's 3-day Jamaica tour will see stops in St. Anne, Montego Bay and St. Elizabeth. Now the launch also saw the announcement of Virgo as brand ambassador for Johnny Walker. Brand manager for Spirits Nadine Hilton spoke on selecting Romain.
He has at all times been very responsible, been very focused, been very deliberate in his actions, and I think that's exactly what the brand stands for. We are premium, we offer a premium experience, and therefore when we chronicle that, it must be at the same level. So the opportunity was perfect.
Charlie Black's reminisce on a love that's like oxtail with extra gravy. The recently released track Oxtail Extra Gravy, produced by Minter Plater Rhythm for Warrior of Jador Records, was driven by a combination of Afrobeats and dancehall sounds. Speaking with E-Prime, Charlie shared the concept behind the track.
Yeah, well, the message of the song is all about me missing my girl. And I tell her how much we miss her, compare her to something we miss as well. So it's like, I just try to make the song very different, where them can enjoy the song at the end of the day and still dance to it, sing to it.
And of course, it's all about the cross-country invasion. Officially, it launched today and the events continue this evening at Ken's Wildflower at 9 o'clock to midnight. It sees Tifa, Suspense, G-Wiz and Rose Dawn performing, so come on out and support. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching and be safe.